What's up? It's Carrie with Beginner Dance Tutorials, and today we're going to learn a very simple routine to We Are Family by Sister Sledge, and heading back to the 70s, a little disco feel. This is very simple, and it's something that you could use maybe as a line dance or a warm-up for doing another dance tutorial or doing a workout, or just to get up and spend a few minutes of your day moving, a little dance break for your day. It's nice and easy. I'm gonna show you the steps. I'm gonna break it down. If you wanna see what it looks like with music, you can check it out in a separate video that I've linked down in the description below. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna start facing the front. We're gonna do a grapevine to the right and left. If you don't know a grapevine, it's just 3 steps and a touch. So you're gonna go right, cross, back, right, touch. That was your to the right, and then the left go. Left, cross, back, left, touch. Here we go. 5, 6, grapevine goes. Right, left, right, touch, left, right. Let's do it again. So just try it a couple of times. Right, left, right, left. Counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your basic grapevine. You're going to do that one time, right and left. And then from there, we're going to step touch. So we're going 1, touch 2, 3, touch 4, 5, touch 6, 7, touch 8. So it's right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. I'm kind of touching my foot out in front a little bit. You don't have to. You can go side to side. I'm kind of going out in the front, and I'm kind of upper body, just kind of grooving, doing whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So an 8 count of a grapevine, and then an 8 count of step touch. Here we go. 5, 6, grapevine goes. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6. Then we step touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to repeat the same thing. So we're going to go back to the grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step touch. This time I'm going to add a clap on the touch. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's basically the exact same thing. I just decided to add a clap on the second set. Now, if you want to do no clapping the whole time, you can. If you want to clap on every step touch, you can. It doesn't matter. I don't know why I decided to do a little variety show there, but I did. So, this is the chorus. Forgot to mention that. The We Are Family. That's how the song starts. This is the chorus step. It's the grapevine and the step touch. You do it 4 times total. What I'm going to do is grapevine, step touch, grapevine, step clap, grapevine, step touch, grapevine, step clap. Okay, so we're going to do it 4 times in a row. Are you ready to try with me? Here we go. 5, 6, grapevine, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the step touch. I'm snapping, I don't know why. Grapevine. Then we step clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine again. This is the 3rd time. I'm going to go back to no clap, just step touch. Grapevine. Now I'm going to add the clap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side note, I don't even know if it's that fast. It might be a little slower than that. That was fun, right? That'll warm you right up. So 4 of those, that's your chorus. Next comes the verse. So for the verse, you're going to take 3 steps and a touch, just like the grapevine. But I'm going to change it up a little. Instead of crossing back, I'm going to go step, together, step, touch. And then the other way. Step, together, step, touch. So I'm kind of a little bit angling my body, my upper body to the corner now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? This is the 2-step. We're going to do it to the right, to to the left, and to the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to your left, 2 steps to your right, and freeze. Freeze. Not really. But you do right, left, right. On that last 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to just step out into that left leg. I'm going to take my left arm, and I'm going to go pan it across the root. I'm kind of going to bounce and sit into my hips here. If you want to, you could just keep your feet flat and shake. You could just do the arm. Don't worry about the hip shaking, bouncing, whatever. I'm just taking like a jazz hand or just a flat hand and going across. You can shake it if you want to, whatever you want to do. So 2 steps, 2 steps, 2 steps, left hand across. 4 of those, 4 counts. Here we go. From the 2, 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. 1, 2, 3 to your left. 5, 6, 7 to your right. Left foot, left arm, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? From there, you're going to repeat the same thing. The exact same footwork. The only thing I'm going to change is when I'm doing the 2 steps to the right and left, I'm going to circle my arms like this. The disco arms. So we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go to the right for 2. 1, 2, 3, other way. 5, 6, 7, other way. 1, 2, 3, then we step. Left arm goes out, out. Exact same thing with that upper body. All right, let's try 2 steps starting with no arms. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. This is 1, 2, 3, other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Left arm goes across. 5, 6. Now we add the arms. 1, 2, 3, other way. 5, 6. One more time. Left arm goes across. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we're going to step on our right arm. No, we're not. We're going to step on our right leg, but also take our right arm out. You're going to step 1, 2, left goes out, 3, 4. I stole it, borrowed it from John Travolta out of Saturday Night Fever. I was going to say Saturday Night Live. No. Saturday Night Fever, the step comes directly from there. Nice little disco move. So again, you're going to step right, left. Counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to point my fingers. Right arm in the front, left arm in the front, right arm to the back, left arm to the back. That's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll mirror you. It's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to, you can plie or bend your knees as you go down, as you point to the front. 1, 2, and then back up. 3, 4. But the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. Another layer is you can do your hips side to side as you plie down and come back up. So it'll look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Really whatever you want to do there is just fun, like a nice little 70s grooving step. Can't mess it up. So step to the right, step to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Then we point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then guess what? You're going to repeat the exact same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just do that 2 times in a row. Ready? 5, 6, step on your right. 1, 3, now the points. 5, 6, 7, step. 1, 3, now you point. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more step. We're going to rock forward and back. So my right foot's going to go forward. Right, left, then I'm going to rock back. Right, left, then front. Right, left. Just try this motion with me. So I'm kind of taking my shoulder with me. I'm going to the front, to the back. Shoulder front, shoulder back. Shoulder front. This left foot's just hanging out. I'm just pivoting around it. It's just the right foot that's really moving front and back. Yeah? You're going to do that 3 times total. It's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 3 times total. On the 4th time, you're gonna step on that right foot and pivot to the back. Step on your right foot again. Step and pivot. So again, we're just pivoting around that left leg. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna step on your right foot, and then you switch your weight to your left foot, then step on your right foot, then switch your weight to your left foot. It's called a pivot turn. When in doubt, just walk around yourself for 4 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Whatever you do is perfect, okay? Here we go, rocking back and forth 3 times, then add that pivot. 5, 6, 7, we rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Now we turn it. 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to add some lasso arms when you turn, you can. And that's it. That's the whole verse. So it goes 2 steps, that 2-step step with the left hand out. Then you repeat it with the arms, left hand out. Then step, step, point your fingers, step, step, point, 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 and then into that rock step. That is the verse. We're going to try it all together. 2 steps to your right. Here we go. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. Left hand goes out. 5, 6. Add the arms. 1, 2. We're still doing the 2 steps. Other way. Left hand go. Step on your right. Right, left. Point those fingers. Step on your right. Right, left. Use your hips if you want. Rock it. Forward and back. Forward and back. One more. Now turn it around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. After that pivot turn, it's another chorus. And from here on out, we're just going to repeat what we've already learned. So you're going to go right back into that grapevine with a step touch. And then grapevine with a step clap. That you repeat that 4 times. And then on the second verse, we're going to go right back into that double step. It's going to repeat. And then there's one more chorus at the end where you again do the grapevine step. So just something nice and easy to get you up and moving. Maybe have a little dance break in the middle of your day. Okay, so here's what we're going to do from the top. So we're going to do a chorus and the verse. And we'll do the chorus again. And that'll be it for with counts. And then once you master that, you can head over and try it with music. All right, let's go. All right, from the top, this is our chorus. It starts with that grapevine. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, grapevine. Goes 1, 2, 3. Then you touch. 3 steps and a touch. Then we just do a step touch. Then we go back to the grapevine. Counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step touch, but I'm going to add a clap. Back to the grapevine. Remember, we do this 4 times total. Then step touch, no clap, unless you just want to clap. Grapevine, this is the last time. Step touch, add the clap if you want. Here we go, this is our verse. We do 2 steps to the right, then the left. Remember, we do this 3 times. Then the left hand goes out. 5, 6, add the arms. It's the same thing, same footwork. One more time. Left hand goes out. 5, 6, step on your right. This is our John Travolta step. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, John Travolta. 5, 6, rock it forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times total. Then you turn it around. 5, 6, 7, back to your grapevine. So our chorus starts again in the music. Step touch. Grapevine, here's the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now add the clap. Whatever you're doing with your upper body on the grapevine, it's up to you. You're just having fun. Warming up those muscles. Step touch, no clap. Grapevine. 1, 3, 4. This is the last one. Then step touch with a clap. This is the second verse. We'll go back to the 2 steps right and 2 steps left. Yes, and then you keep going. And then you'll hear the We Are Family chorus one more time. You repeat the Grapevine step 4 times. And that's it. You've done it. Yay! Go try it with music. Remember that link is down in the description below for that separate video. Hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you a few minutes of your day to stand up, move, have fun, be grateful that you can move and be grateful for your body. And I'm grateful that you watched this tutorial and hung out with me today, so thank you. And I hope you have a great one. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me for this beginner dance tutorial. I hope that you had fun and enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this, and by content I mean dance tutorials, specifically for beginner dancers, then you can subscribe to this channel by hitting that subscribe button, and you'll be notified when new tutorials are released. Great job today. Good job standing up, doing something good for yourself. I'm proud of you. You should be proud of yourself. You're wonderful, just the way you are. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.